What's going on, everybody? My name is Alex and I make all of the content here at Type Studio. I have kind of become the face of Type Studio, the one that you see in all of the videos. So with that being said, I am the main video editor here. We here at Type Studio wanted to make the editing experience so much easier for anybody that wants to get into video editing. Popular video editors that I have used in the past and continue to use currently are very expensive and sometimes not even worth the price for what you may be wanting to do with it. Especially if you're just getting into video creation and you just shoot long videos on one format. Maybe you're doing a vlog, or maybe you're a teacher that's kind of making a transition during these odd times where you have to do everything online. Whatever your use case is, a beginner should not have to spend an ungodly amount of money on video editing software. So that's why we decided to make this video. A video to show beginners and those who are looking for a video editor how to edit with our free program. This will offer you a good intro to how to time your videos, how to plan out different edits, all allowing you to do it just how you would edit a Word document or a Google Docs doc. In this video, I'm going to be taking you from start to finish, from uploading your video into Type Studio all the way to editing and getting it to how you want it, and then exporting it so you can upload it to YouTube, Facebook, wherever your little heart desires. So stick around and learn how to edit with Type Studio. Alright, so this is actually kind of a cool video for me because I love teaching a little bit. I love giving people resources that I never had when I first started beginning, and just like things that'll make it a lot easier for anybody getting into video editing, whether it's something that they want to continue doing down the future or it's just something they need to do for work, you know? Type's a cool program made by some cool dudes, and the best thing is they didn't pay me to say that. So first things first, let's hop over to the computer so we can get this ball rolling, shall we? All right, on the computer, my first tab that I have open is our website. Welcome to typestudio.co. On this website, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the top right and you're going to sign up and sign in for free. We do have a paid version where you can get extra features and different things that you can use to further your editing experience, but they're not necessary for anything that we're gonna be doing in this video. This is all based in the free editor. But I am using the pro version, the paid version. So if there's anything that you saw in this video that piques your interest, you can give that a try. It's there for you, all for a reasonable price. Okay, so when you log in, it'll bring you to the dashboard. This dashboard is where all of your videos are housed. When you create a new project and upload a video into it, it saves them here on the dashboard. So you can go back in and re-edit or re-export or do whatever you want later down the line. It's so that you can have a bunch of different projects going on at the same time if you'd like. But again, for this use case, we're just gonna create a new project and go from there. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna click new project, and then I'm going to go into my files and find the video that I wanna use. I have this test video that's ready to go. You just drag it and drop it in and it'll upload and transcribe. Now in most videos, this is the time where, since the uploading takes a couple seconds, I get to say, hey, check out our social medias. I'm gonna keep it short and sweet this time, so check out our social medias. They're floating underneath my head, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I post video editing tutorials and other features of Type Studio on this channel all the time. So make sure to come back and say hey, because I'm always here. Always. I never sleep. Welcome to Type Studio. This is our video editor right here. This is the editing platform that you're going to be using to edit your video. To give you a quick tour, on the left we have the transcribed dialogue from your video. Our program takes your video and analyzes the dialogue that was said in it, transcribes it, and puts it into a form that we can edit with. Then here on the right hand side you have your video preview, where you can, when you jump through it, it just follows along. So let me hit play so you can see it. Follow along with it. What's going on, everybody? It's Alex with Type Studio, and we're releasing our newest feature. Okay, so those are the major layout pieces of Type Studio. This is where you're gonna do the majority of your work. So let me show you how to cut real quick. In order to cut a video, you're gonna do so on the left-hand side. Like I said, it's all done via the text. So if there's a section that I don't like, say this portion that I say, that's pretty cool if you ask me, I don't like that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna highlight it and then hit cut. You can also hit the backspace as well as just the keyboard shortcut, but the button on the screen works exactly the same. Going forward, if there's different words that you've said in here that you want to get rid of, or different sentences or pauses that you want to get rid of, you can go one by using the arrow keys between each of the words or areas. So these little dots right here, they're pauses. You can go in and hit the delete key or hit the cut button to get rid of those. Now say I made a cut here and here and here, and I made this cut and I didn't want that. I don't know why I made that cut. It just doesn't work well. what we can do is you can undo anything that you've done in Type. Go right here and hit the little reversal button, the little undo button, and it'll put everything back to exactly how it was before you made that cut. That's the simplicity of editing with Type. That's the simplicity of editing a video like you would edit a Word document. Now you're probably wondering, what does that edit look like? Let's show you real quick.
Multiple different languages. Check it out.
Just quick and easy jump cuts. Nothing too crazy, nothing too insane. Just something to edit your videos simply and professionally and have it ready to go. If you're a perfectionist like me and like those quick jump cut edits, you can go in and find these pauses in between sentences and also get rid of those as well. So that's the basics on how to edit your video. There's a lot of little features that I'm gonna go through real quick so that you know that they're there and you can use them. So again, if they excite you at all or that's something that you need, it's right there. But everything so far is all able to be done within the free video editor. So let's talk subtitles real quick. If you want to throw subtitles on your video just to expand your audience, to allow people to just watch your video while it's on silent, you're just going to go up to the top right here and click subtitles. Changing what they look like and maybe even translating them to a different language is in the paid version, but subtitles themselves, just basic subtitles, is available in the free version. So let's watch through this a little bit so you can see what the subtitles look like.
What's going on, everybody? It's Alex with Type Studio, and we're releasing...
So real quick, if you wanted to change up the subtitles and edit it a little bit, maybe the transcription wasn't exactly perfect, you can actually go in. So I want to capitalize Type Studio, so I double click on the word, and you can just edit it like that. Type Studio, and then let's watch it back. And change back to video editing mode and watch it back.
Everybody, it's Alex.
And see, the subtitles changed it to what I changed it to on the editing side. You can change words completely, add a little stories underneath, get rid of words, whatever you want to do. It's all possible here within that. Again, also able to be done in the free editor. I believe there's actually one transcription mistake in this because I say it's really quickly, so here.
Translation feature. So where you can...
Yeah, right there. So I'm gonna change it to it's. It's. Boom. Back to video editor.
Transcription translation feature. So where you can...
There we go. So once your video is exactly how you want it, there's a bunch of different exporting options. The extra ones are more accessory based, like for instance, the export text feature right here. You can actually just take the text if you want. This is good for people that just want to have transcriptions of their videos, or somebody that wants to get an SRT file for their video, which is the actual subtitle file for a video, so that you can upload it along with your video onto platforms like YouTube, so you can have your custom subtitles if you'd like. But aside from those accessory exports, let's go to the actual export and just click export. Once done rendering and exporting, your video will be presented to you in its final form on our sharing page. On the sharing page, you have a number of different options on how you want to distribute your video. But first, you can watch through your video real quick right here in the video preview.
What's going on, everybody? It's Alex with Type Studio, and we're releasing...
And as you can see along the bottom, it follows along with your words right here in the transcript at the bottom as well. So all of those features are available here on the sharing page. Now, with that being said, if you want to have these features available for other people that are viewing your videos, all you have to do is go up to the top right-hand corner, make this page public, and then grab the link to this specific page, which is found right here under copy link. Copy this link right here, it'll copy it to your clipboard, and then you can send that to anybody, and that link will bring them back to this specific page. So no need to upload any videos onto YouTube, Facebook, wherever. If you don't want to upload it anywhere, you don't want to download anything, it all just sticks right here and stays here on this sharing page. But if you're looking to do it the old-fashioned way and download it so you can upload it to your YouTube channel or Facebook or whatever, you're just going to click download right here. By clicking that button, it'll download it right onto your computer. And then you're done. You have the video, you have all the edits made, you can upload it confidently knowing that your video has been properly and professionally edited by yours truly. And by that I mean you, not me, because you did the edit. So once you have the video in your hand, that's it. You're done. Congratulations. You did it. You edited your first video, or second video, or third, fourth, fifth video. Doesn't matter. You edited a video. It's pretty cool. You're making an impact on the world now with your content, whether it be just to your family or to the world if you're posting to YouTube. Video editing is cool. Video production is cool. And I'm glad that you took the time to watch this video the whole way through so that you can properly learn how to edit your videos and get yourself into video editing. By using programs like Type Studio and having programs around like Type Studio, the barrier to entry for video editors is so much lower than what it used to be. Free programs like this that allow you to just properly edit to a T in most cases, is wonderful, and I'm glad to be a part of it. I hope you're proud of what you created, and I hope the others that you share it with are just as proud of what you created as well. If you'd like, make sure to check out the social medias that are underneath my head, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We post videos frequently, anything from video editing tutorials to new features that Type Studio has. So once again, thank you for watching, we greatly appreciate it, and we hope to see you over at Type Studio. Happy editing!